friends, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish and today I will be teaching you one very good method in this chapter 3 of standard 10, and that is method of elimination. Yes, so already I have delivered 3 video lectures of the same topic and we have discussed about this, that how to draw a graph and what are the possibilities of the solution. So if you haven't checked that yet, then link is given in description. So now let's get started with the new method today, and method of elimination. If we will be given two linear equations and we are asked to find the solution with the help of method of elimination, then you need to eliminate any one variable. Here x and y two variables are there. So how will we solve with the help of elimination method? So you have to make the coefficient equal of any one variable. Okay, that means what? See, here 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is there. Here 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 is there. So here the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is 2. Here coefficient of y is 4. Here coefficient of y is minus 2. So we need to multiply with such a number by which any one coefficient will be equal in both the equations. So here it is easy that if I multiply this equation with 2, then 2 into 2 will be 4 and this coefficient will match with the first one. Okay, so let us do that process. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Here it will be 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. So if you are multiplying 2, then you need to multiply with each and every term of the equation. Okay. Now what we will do, we need to eliminate one variable. That means either we need to add or subtract. Okay. It is not compulsory to add, it is not compulsory to subtract, but take such an operation by which one variable gets eliminated. Okay. So here we need to add only, so this 2 will get cancelled. Here 4x plus 3x will be 7x, 10 plus 4 14. So answer of x will be 2. All of you got this? Yes, very good. So next step, we will put the value of x is equal to 2 in any of the equation. Okay, so let us put in the first equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. So here 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4, and y is equal to 1. So your required solution is x comma y is equal to 2 comma 1, and that is unique solution. Okay. So you need to make coefficients equal, and by adding or subtracting you can get value of one variable, put that value of one variable in another equation and get answer of another variable. Isn't it easy? Yes. So let's take another example of the similar type to understand this method well. Okay. And one more thing, worksheet of the same topic is given in the end of the video. So all of you can solve that worksheet, and if you have any doubt, then I am here. So the contact details are given in the description as well. Okay. So let us take another example. Say x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So if we are given this kind of equation, then here if I multiply 2 with the first equation, then it will match with this one. If I multiply with 3, then it will match with this one. So any of the process you can follow. Okay. So let us multiply this equation with 2. So what we will get? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. You need to multiply 2 with each and every term of the equation. Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now here the coefficients are equal, signs are also equal. So to get eliminated, we need to change the sign of second equation. So how will we change the sign? Whatever sign is there, you just write down the opposite sign of that. So minus plus minus, here plus minus, minus plus, plus minus. So here this will get cancelled. 2y plus 3y, we will consider this sign now. 2y plus 3y, that is 5y, and is equal to 10 minus 4, and that is 6. So answer will be 6 upon 5. It is not compulsory that you will always get answer in integer form. You may get answer in rational number like this also. Now what we will do, we will put this value of y is equal to 6 upon 5 in the equation 1. You can put in any of the equation. So x plus 6 upon 5 is equal to 5. So by simplifying 5 minus 6 by 5, if I cross multiply this, 5 25 minus 6 divided by 5, and answer will be 19 divided by 5. So your last solution will be 19 by 5 and 6 by 5. Okay, so this was the simple type of sums. Now we have one more type, and that is problem questions. Okay, in that you need to generate your equations with the help of given data. So let us discuss that now. The problem question, and the question is like this. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 3, and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 9 less than the original number. Then we need to find out original number. So how do we solve this kind of questions? First of all, collect the data and then make equation from data. And here we are with two variable equations. So we can assume any two variables, like say two-digit number is formed with the help of two types of digits, and that is a digit at unit place. Let us assume that is x, a digit at 10th place, and let us assume that it is y. Okay, so if this kind of digits are there, then the original number that to be formed will be x plus 10y. The number formation, we know that whatever digit it at 10th place, we need to multiply that with 10, and whatever digit it at unit place, we need to multiply it with 1. So the original number will become x plus 10y. Okay. Now, according to the first condition, and that is sum of the digit is 3. So sum of the digit is 3. That means x plus y is equal to 3. So that will be our equation number 1. Now, if I interchange the digits, that means what? If I interchange these two places, then after interchanging, the new number will become 10x plus y. Just the place of this 10 will interchange. Okay. Now, according to the given condition, the obtained number by interchanging the digits, so the new number is this, that is 10x plus y is 9 less than the original number. That means minus 9 is equal to original number was x plus 10y. Okay. Now how do we get idea that from which equation we need to subtract 9? So for that purpose, do remember one thing, that which number is greater 1? Obviously, if this number is minus 9, then this number will be greater 1. So whatever smaller number is there, okay, in that smaller number you need to do something, either addition or subtraction according to the given question. So the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 9 less than the original number. So this number is 9 less than the original number. So this number minus 9 is equal to the original number. Okay. Now let us solve this. So take this x and this 10y this side. 10x minus x plus y minus 10y, and take this 9 on the other side. So here 9x minus 9y is equal to 9. Take 9 common. X minus y is equal to 9. So the next equation will become 9 cancel. X minus y is equal to 1. So this is how we get these two equations after applying all these constraints. Okay, constraints means given condition. Okay, now we need to solve this with the help of this method. So it is very simple now. If I put this equation over here, no need to multiply, divide with any number. Okay, here already if I add this to directly, then this will get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Now if I put this value x is equal to 2 over here in this equation, then value of y will become 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1. and we want answer of the original number. So the original number was what? This. So if I put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 over here, so 2 plus 10 and that is 12. So our original number is 12 and that is our final answer. Okay. So I hope all of you understand this method well and do practice this kind of sums from worksheet that is given at the end of the video, and share this with your friends. Do like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.